Welcome back, my viewers and subscribers. It's about 7:50 in the morning, and we're right at the intersection Upper Retreat and that direction, and that direction would be heading to East Prospect. But the resident them asked me to come take a look on them road, and the road here is Oxford Road. So my viewers and sub, stick and stay. Big super, I will take a walk up Oxford Road and make you guys see how it look. So we're in the vicinity, I guess, at this other section of the road here. and Oxford Road where the resident them want me to really take a look upon. You have a nursing home right over here. Shan. So my viewers and subscribers have a young miss who live on the road, and as I was called by the resident, tell me how long it has been like this.
Roughly 2 years or more.
Roughly 2 years or more. And what would you say contribute to the deterioration of this road?
Alright, the road has been like this because of rain and there's not a proper gutter
Yeah,
to channel the water, and so every time the rain falls,
yeah.
the road deteriorates more and more.
But when we observe about this road, you see, it deteriorates right in the middle, right there.
Yes,
So it seems like a lot of water come like in a triangle from off that
yes,
side.
a lot of water. When the rain falls, a lot of water comes from the top
Yeah.
and that side there.
Okay, okay. So you have any suggestion, because work people tend to follow my channel and listen to people. So you have any suggestion where I want to put out there if they want to fix the road, what them need to do?
I am thinking maybe when they're fixing the road, they could come up this way
Yeah,
and do some patching
yeah.
to make it more feasible
And put in proper gutter.
and put in proper gutter.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
All right, thank you so much and have yourself a wonderful
You're
morning.
welcome, sir.
Big super.
Yeah.
All right. So my viewers and subscribers, we just talk with a resident. She wouldn't talk on camera, but she say they need proper gutter and proper drain to sustain the road. That when the water come down, because you see that hill, that's coming from Johnstown, and when all of that water come all the way down and rush down this road, right there, so seem to be the weakest point. And you know what happened at the weakest point, people. So like share, I was hoping to see a vehicle pass through here, but there's no vehicle tend to avoid this road, so they drive other places. So like, share, subscribe, people, turn on your post notification bell. Remember, you can also donate to Big Super channel, and you can also WhatsApp. Take care. Big Super. Same to you guys. Peace out.